Mommy needs a turn? Okay.
Bear. What's a bear? Hey, where's the bear? There's the bear.
There's Resta Bear.
Bear. Sheep. What's that?
Hi, buddy. What's that one? Resta Wolf?
Where's the wolf?
Yay! Puzzle all done. Go stand by the Christmas tree. Show me all the colors.
Wait.
Yeah. Gentle, though. What were you telling me earlier? Does the Christmas tree drink all the water? Look, tell me. Does the Christmas tree drink all the water? Let's put this other puzzle away.
Dinosaurs.
Yeah.
First
First
animal puzzle.
animal puzzle away, then you can pick a new puzzle.
1, 2, 3 puzzle.
Mhm.
First animal puzzle away.
Yeah.
Animal puzzle away.
Yeah. No thumb.
No fun.
Put it away as fast as you can. As fast as you can, little guy. That's not as fast as you can. You little stinker. Can you go give Frankie a hug?
Yay! See the hug? 1, 2, 3, yes!
Gentle with him.
Thank you, Mommy.
Frankie does love Mommy. I love Mason.
Hug.
Oh, that's sweet, buddy. Hi, Frank.
Hi, Mink.
Hi, Mason.
Hi, Mason.
Puzzle away. Then we can go decorate your tree from St. Nick.